Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to check which apps are accessing your camera on your computer and how you can control it for better privacy. If you ever feel like an app might be using your camera without your knowledge, this method will help you confirm it easily. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. Now click on Privacy and Security from the left side. Scroll down and click on Camera. Here, you will see a list of apps that are allowed to access your camera. If you want to stop any app from using your camera, simply turn off the toggle next to that app. You can also disable camera access completely if you don't want any app to use it. Now scroll down a bit more and you will see an option called Recent Activity. This section shows which apps have recently used your camera. For example, if you used OBS Studio, it will appear here showing that it requested camera access. This helps you quickly identify any unknown or suspicious activity. If you see any app you don't recognize, make sure to remove its access immediately. So this is how you can check and control camera access on your computer to stay safe. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.